Alright, y'all, welcome back to another episode of Let's Try It Barbecue. Today we got something good going on. We got some thick cut ribeyes. These things are super simple, but it's all about how you cook them. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get it going.
Okay, so here's my two ribeyes. Man, these things are looking good. Check that out. A lot of people will trim a little bit of this fat out of there. I leave it in. I love it. Fat's flavor. Fat is flavor. Alright, all we're going to do is get some canola oil, sea salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. Do equal parts of 3 and rub it down with a little bit of this oil. Just kind of make everything stick. And we're going to do some asparagus over here about the same way. Rub it down with some oil. Salt, pepper, garlic powder. Let's get it done. Alright, I got these things seasoned up. And you can see here, I don't go too heavy. Ribeye's a good cut of meat. Real tender. Full of flavor. You want to let that meat shine. I'm just going to let these things sit here on the table. Hang out at room temperature. Kind of come up a little bit on their own. I'm going to go get the grill fired up. We're going to get some indirect grilling. Bring these internal temps up to about 125 to 135 and then give them a good hot sear to finish them off. Alright guys, what we got going on now is I've got a little bed of coals over here on this side, and I've had my steaks over here sitting on the indirect side along with that asparagus. You remember that. And I did the same thing, salt, pepper, garlic with the asparagus. Sorry, it's trying to focus here. And I also added just a little bit of seasoned salt. I like the way that stuff tastes. But anyway, got these steaks up to about 120-ish. And I just wanted to show y'all. Sorry I haven't done more video. As you can see, it's kind of getting dark out here. But what I'm going to do now is take these steaks over here to the hot side. And we're going to get a good sear. Probably about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes on each side. Flip, flip. Done. Bring it in the house, let it rest. And we'll cut into these bad boys and see how we did. Alright guys, we got these things wrapped up here. This one right here might look a little more done. My wife likes hers a little more done than I do. But we'll cut into these things and see how it did. They've been sitting on a grill on a low temperature bed of coals, probably about 300 degrees. Let them get up to temperature slowly. And while that was going on, I got this asparagus going at the same time. And if you get in real close here, you can kind of see the way this asparagus starts to wrinkle up there on the skin. That's how you can tell it's starting to get done. And I like mine with a little more crunch, but you know, the wrinklier and the shrivelier it gets, the more done and more tender it's gonna be. And as for these steaks, like I said, I had them hanging out for a little while. Got them up to about 120 something ish, 130 something ish, around there. And I put them directly over hot coals, and that's how you get this sear here, this good crunch on the outside, you know, good char on the fat. So we're gonna cut it up and see how we did here. This looks like it's gonna be a good medium. Oh man, that's tender. That is tender. You know what? That looks perfect. Just how my wife likes it. A good medium well right there. Now we'll go into mine here. I'll show y'all that. Get in there close. Look at the juice just coming out of that. Man, that is amazing. And that's it, guys. That's simple, regular. I mean, you can't beat this ribeye recipe. You can't beat it. Yeah, I appreciate y'all watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Sorry about the video. I know it wasn't the best tonight, but kind of got dark on me. Got busy doing some other things, but I'm gonna tell you what. This simple ribeye. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll see y'all again soon.